Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 25. It is from chapter 3 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we have a projectile. It's launched at ground level. We know the initial speed and angle, and then it strikes a target above ground 3 seconds later, and we need to find the x and y distances from where the projectile was launched. Let's make a list of what we know. We know the initial speed is 50 meters per second. We know the initial angle is 30 degrees. And we know the elapsed time is 3 seconds. Okay. And so the projectile goes something like this. So it lands up higher. Here's our V naught. Here's our theta naught. So here's our V naught Y and V naught X. All right. And so the cosine of theta is going to be V naught X over V naught. And so V naught X is going to be V naught times the cosine of theta. Let me put theta naught there. And so V naught X is 50 meters per second times the cosine of 30 degrees. V naught X is 43.3 meters per second. And we know that Vx is equal to V naught X because Ax is 0. There's no acceleration going on in the horizontal. And so X is X naught plus V naught X, or Vx, times t. All right, so X is 0 meters plus the 43.3 meters per second times the 3 seconds. Okay, and so X ends up being 129.9 meters. So to 3 sig figs, this is 130 meters. And we will put X is 1.30 times 10 squared meters. And that's to declare that we know we have 3 sig figs. All right, so that's the X. Now we need to find the Y. And what we can do is take the sine of theta naught. That's going to be V naught Y over V naught. And so V naught Y is V naught times the sine of theta naught. And so V naught Y is the 50 meters per second times the sine of 30 degrees. And so V naught Y ends up being 25.0 meters per second. And now for the Y, we use Y is Y naught plus V naught Y times T plus 1/2 AT squared. All right, so Y is the 0 meters plus the 25.0 meters per second times the 3 seconds plus 1/2. Okay, this is written this way. The equation is assuming up is positive, so our A is minus 9.8 meters per second squared, and we multiply that by 3 seconds squared. This gives a Y of 30.9 meters. So the projectile goes horizontally 130 meters, and vertically it's up 30.9 meters off the ground. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.